Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want a quick update for my tire upgrade for my 2024 Ford Maverick Hybrid. A lot of people that probably want to upgrade the new tire from stock tire. Here, it's a size and the tire that I use. This is the biggest size that I can get on the stock rims without leveling or anything, no wrapping or anything. And this is about like inch and half or inch taller, and then wide open, a little bit open. You can see right here it's about an inch coming out. It looked great on that. So the tire that I use is Stormblazer XT. Is 245 60 R18. That's a stock rim right there. Look beautiful, look sick on it. Right, really good. A little bit, Altarian's tire, a little louder than all season tire, that stock tire from a Ford company. So we just really looking awesome, as you can see right here. I'm gonna go in, turn the wheel real quick for y'all to see. So I'm turned all the way to the right, left, right here. As you can see, no wrapping at all. You see there, and the back fender here, nothing. You got about an inch left behind here with that tire, so no wrapping, no nothing at all. They come out really nice, make this truck a little taller. Hope because I've been searching on the internet a while. Nobody put a lot of good information to the upgrade tire on the Ford Maverick Hybrid. They have a lot of information for the all-wheel drive one, but like I said, I learned this one. You can always leveling about an inch. Rock Country company, they only make 1 inch for the hybrid one. They didn't have any 2 inch or 1.5, whatever it is. You can leveling up to hybrid one, just a 1 inch for the Ford Maverick Hybrid one. It will lift it up a little bit, and you can put a little bigger tire on there. So, but this is already look good already. I don't want to spend more money. If you don't want to spend more money on it, this is already look good. The back and the front is about 3 inch difference, 3 or 4 inch difference. So it looked great. It's fine. I mean, they look right, comfortable. So I hope this video will help y'all. Thank you for watching. Until now, see you guys on the water.